Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn that how to set up a shortcut which will help to reduce the battery usage and also prevent the battery health of an iPhone. Okay, as you can see I am just clicking it and the screen is getting dim, which means that the brightness will be reduced, which will be directly leading the battery promotion. Okay, we will learn now that how to create this shortcut. So first of all, you have to come to the utilities, you have to come to the shortcuts, and you have to create one, and furthermore you have to click on this controls. What you want to include is I am setting that set Wi-Fi. I will turn it off for the battery consuming and following the lead. Also we will set this mobile data to turn off following the lead. We will also set to the Bluetooth, it will be turned off, and following the lead this will also turn off the we will also set the appearance into dark mode. It's already dark. And we will also set the brightness. It will be 20% must be enough. Okay, then we have to click on this arrow and we will add it to the home screen, and as per my choice I am selecting the green color for the icon, and I will just simply add it. Okay, it was the previous one, it is the new one which is named as set brightness. As I click it, so the changes are made.